Hello, welcome to Easy English Club.
Hello, we are happy you are here. Let's learn English together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Club. I'm Mike.
And I'm Lily. Hi, Mike. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you, Lily?
I'm wonderful. I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today, we will talk about jobs.
Yes, we'll learn how to talk about your job in English.
This is very useful for everyday life.
It is. People always ask, what do you do?
So today, we'll learn how to answer that question.
We'll also learn how to talk about your work.
Let's start with a simple question. Lily, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
That's great. I'm a podcast host.
See? It's easy to say what you do.
Now let's learn the basic question.
The most common question is, what do you do?
This means, what is your job?
You can also ask, what do you do for work?
Or, what's your job?
All three questions mean the same thing.
Let's practice answering. The simple way is, I'm a teacher.
Or, I'm a doctor. I'm a student. I'm an engineer.
Notice we use a or an before the job.
We say a teacher, not just teacher.
Let's practice some more jobs together.
Good idea. I'm a nurse.
I'm a chef.
I'm a driver.
I'm an accountant.
I'm a salesperson.
Perfect. Now, what if you work somewhere specific?
Good question. You can say, I work at a hospital.
Or, I work at a bank.
I work at a school.
I work at a restaurant.
You can also say, I work for a company.
For example, I work for Google.
Or, I work for a small business.
Let's put it together now.
Okay, what do you do, Mike?
I'm a podcast host. I work for Easy English Club.
Nice. What do you do, Lily?
I'm a teacher. I work at a language school.
See how easy that is?
Now, let's learn how to talk about your daily work.
Yes, people might ask, what do you do at work?
Or, what does your job involve?
You can describe your daily tasks.
For example, I teach students every day.
Or, I help customers with their problems.
I write reports and send emails.
I cook food in the kitchen.
Let's practice this together.
Okay. Mike, what do you do at work?
I record podcasts and write scripts. What about you?
I teach English lessons and check homework.
Great! Now let's learn some useful phrases.
Yes, sometimes people ask, do you like your job?
You can say, yes, I love my job.
Or, it's okay, it's not bad.
Or, actually, I don't like it very much.
It's honest to share your feelings.
Let me ask you, Lily, do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. I enjoy teaching people.
That's wonderful. I love my job too.
Now, let's talk about work schedules.
Good idea. People often ask, what are your work hours?
Or, when do you work?
You can answer, I work from 9 to 5.
Or, I work from 8 in the morning to 4 in the afternoon.
Some people work different hours.
Yes, I work Monday to Friday.
I work on weekends too.
Some people work night shifts.
A night shift means working at night.
For example, I work from midnight to 8 a.m.
Now let's learn about part-time and full-time work.
Full-time means working about 40 hours a week.
Part-time means working fewer hours.
For example, I work part-time, 20 hours a week.
Or, I work full-time 5 days a week.
Let's practice some conversations now.
Good idea. I'll start. Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What do you do?
I'm a software engineer. I work for a tech company.
That sounds interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, I really enjoy it. What about you?
I'm a nurse. I work at a children's hospital.
Wow, that's a great job.
Thank you. I love helping kids.
What are your work hours?
I work 3 days a week, 12 hours each day.
That's a long day.
Yes, but I get 4 days off.
That's nice. More time to rest.
Exactly. Now let's practice another conversation.
Okay. Hi there. What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for myself.
Oh, you're self-employed.
Yes, I work from home.
That's great. Do you enjoy it?
I do. I love the freedom.
What does your job involve?
I create designs for websites and advertisements.
That sounds creative and fun.
It is. What about you?
I'm a shop manager. I work at a clothing store.
Do you work every day?
I work 6 days a week, but Sundays are off.
That's good. Everyone needs a day off.
Definitely. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary.
Yes. Let's talk about common job words.
Boss. Your boss is the person who manages you.
Colleague. A colleague is a person you work with.
Customer or client. These are people you serve or help.
Salary. Your salary is the money you earn.
Office. The office is where many people work.
Shift. A shift is the time period you work.
Break. A break is rest time during work.
Meeting. A meeting is when people discuss work together.
Let's use these words in sentences.
Okay. My boss is very kind and helpful.
I have great colleagues at my office.
I meet with clients every afternoon.
I take a lunch break at noon.
We have a team meeting every Monday.
I work the morning shift today.
Good examples. Now let's talk about job questions.
Yes, sometimes people ask, how long have you worked there?
You can say, I've worked there for 2 years.
Or, I've worked there since 2020.
Another question is, how did you get this job?
You can answer, I applied online and had an interview.
Or, a friend told me about the job.
People might also ask, what do you want to do in the future?
You can say, I want to become a manager.
Or, I want to start my own business.
It's good to talk about your goals.
Now let's practice one more long conversation.
Great idea. Let's imagine meeting someone new.
Hello, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mike. I'm Lily. Nice to meet you too.
So, what do you do for work, Lily?
I'm a writer. I write articles for magazines.
That's interesting. Do you work from home?
Yes, I do. I'm self-employed, so I work from home.
How long have you been a writer?
I've been a writer for 5 years now.
Wow. Do you enjoy it?
I love it. I can work anywhere and anytime.
That's wonderful. What kind of articles do you write?
I write about travel and food mostly.
That sounds fun. Do you travel a lot?
Yes, I travel for my job, which is great.
Lucky you. What about you, Mike? What do you do?
I'm a photographer. I work for a newspaper.
Oh, that's a creative job too.
Yes, it is. I take photos of events and people.
Do you work every day?
No, I work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5.
That's a regular schedule.
Yes, it is. And I love my colleagues.
That's important. A good team makes work better.
I agree. Well, it was nice talking to you, Mike.
Nice talking to you too, Lily. Good luck with your work.
Thanks. You too.
Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to answer, what do you do?
We learned to say, I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor.
We learned to say where you work. I work at a school.
We learn to describe your work. I help customers.
We learned useful job vocabulary. Boss, colleague, salary.
And we practiced real conversations about jobs.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Think about your job or your future job.
Practice saying, I work at.
Talk to your friends or family in English.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
That's right. Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
Just keep practicing every day.
Even 5 minutes of practice helps.
Well, I think it's time to finish today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you learned something useful.
Remember to practice talking about your job.
We'll see you again in the next episode.
Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.